and a pen with you. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. So today we are going to do what? Direct and indirect speech.
Indirect.
Okay? You can put today's date and you can put the title.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Rahul, good morning, good morning. Now see, beta. What is direct and indirect speech? Who will tell me? What is direct and indirect speech? Especially the students of section A. I taught you in 9th class. Chitwan?
Direct speech is a speech in which we say directly to the person,
Hmm.
and
Okay.
in indirect speech we give a kind we told we tell someone, and then he tells other person on behalf of us.
Okay, fine. Now listen to me. Ashok said, right? I'm working hard for the examination. Got it? Ashok said, I'm working hard for the examination. Now, I'm working hard for the examination. It will be in what? In the inverted commas. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
After this, I'll say, Ashok said that he was working hard for the examination. Did you find any change in the meaning of the sentence? Can you see any change in the meaning of the sentence? Listen to my question, okay? Carefully. Ashok said, I'm working hard for the examination. Ashok said that he was working hard for the examination. Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
find any change in the meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Chitwan, what change? I'm asking, can you find any change? Yes, class 10th.
No, ma'am.
No changes there in the meaning, Rahul? Yes, Rahul? There isn't any change?
मैम past tense में जा रहा है शायद.
Beta,
And he
I'm
was
asking about the meaning. I'm not asking about the tense. The meaning is same, na?
ma'am, meaning is same.
Okay, means
Yes,
that
ma'am.
Ashok, you know, he's working hard for the examination, working hard. So no changes there. But the first one, Ashok said, comma, double inverted, I'm working hard for the examination. Again, the double inverted close and a full stop. Now, this particular sentence, it is known as direct speech. Why? Because, listen carefully, when we quote the actual words of the speaker, okay, when we quote the actual words of the speaker, then it is known as direct speech. Clear? And in the second one, you don't have to change the meaning. And in the second one, Ashok said that he was working hard for the examination. Again, the meaning of the sentence has not been changed. What has been done? Whatever the speaker has spoken, okay? So the actual words of the speaker, the first में quote हो गए और second में we give the substance of what has been spoken by the speaker. See, a very simple example I'll give to my students. You come and you say, ma'am, chaliye, Mukesh sir is calling you. Okay? तो मैं कहूंगी आई एम बिजी, राइट? नाउ सी, you will go and you have two options of quoting my words. मेरे कहे गए शब्दों को कोट करने के दो तरीके हैं ना आपके पास। एक तो आप जाकर कहोगे मैम सेड आई एम बिजी। क्या करा तुमने बेटा?
मैम द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स।
हाँ,
Hmm.
जो एग्जैक्ट
standard,
वर्ड्स
ma'am.
मैंने बोले हैं, एक्चुअल
Yes, ma'am.
वर्ड्स। ओके, मैंने कहा तुम आए और तुमने कहा मैम चलिए सर बुला रहे हैं, मैंने कहा आई एम बिजी। तुम गए, तुमने सर को कहा मैम सेड आई एम बिजी, मीन्स actual words whatever I have spoken you have reported. Okay, तो जब तुमने बिल्कुल actual words without making any change in it, जब तुमने वो रिपोर्ट कर दिया तो that is the direct speech. Getting it, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 2 or 3 students are there. Again everybody is dumb. सबको रिमूव कर दूं मैं? मैं सबको रिमूव कर दूंगी। I'll keep only 3 to 4 students who really study. See now, एक तरीका ये है कि तुमने एक्चुअल वर्ड्स ओके मेरे रिपोर्ट कर दिए। दूसरा तरीका जो भी मैंने बोला है उसका सब्सटेंस बिना मीनिंग चेंज करे तुमने बोला है कि मैम ने कहा था सर वो बहुत बिजी हैं, वह बहुत बिजी। ओके, तो तुमने उसमें सेकंड में क्या करा है बेटा? वॉट एवर आई हैव सेड उसका सब्सटेंस तुमने बता दिया ना कि मैम नहीं आएंगी, मैम ने कहा था वो बहुत बिजी। यही करा है ना तुमने? अगेन डम?
Yes, ma'am.
See, suppose Rahul, you go to चितवन और उसको कह रहे हो चितवन कम लेट्स प्ले। ओके, चितवन ने जवाब दिया
Yes, ma'am.
I will study for the examination. ठीक है राहुल? उसने कह
Yes,
दिया
ma'am.
चितवन ने I will study for the examination. Now you come to your friends और तुम उनको बता रहे हो भाई चितवन नहीं आ रहा है, क्यों? अब दो तरीके हैं ना बताने के। You are having 2 ways of
Yes, ma'am.
reporting. What is the first way? First way क्या करोगे राहुल?
Ma'am, same word. Ma'am, Chitwan
हाँ,
said, I
बिल्कुल
am.
सेम डायलॉग मानते हैं
Yes,
चलो
ma'am.
हम उसको, है ना? जो भी
चितवन ने
words
बोला कि मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ मैं पढ़ाई करूंगा, आई विल स्टडी। ओके, और सेकंड तरीका
ma'am.
कौन सा है बेटा?
मैम मैं ऐसे जाके बोलूंगा कि चितवन नहीं आएगा क्योंकि वो पढ़ाई कर रहा है।
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। तो जो फर्स्ट वाला हुआ तुमने एक्चुअल वर्ड्स बोले उसके, वो कौन सी स्पीच हुई?
वो तो डायरेक्ट हो गई मैम।
दैट इज द
Indirect
डायरेक्ट
speech.
स्पीच। वेरी गुड। और सेकंड वाली क्या हुई? क्योंकि तुमने उसकी बात का निचोड़ तो बता दिया,
Indirect.
सब्सटेंस, है ना? मीनिंग चेंज
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
करा, वही कहने का मतलब था। तो सेकंड वाला
Yes,
व्हाट
ma'am.
इज इट? सेकंड वाला क्या हुआ बेटा?
Indirect speech.
इनडायरेक्ट।
Indirect.
Indirect speech. Got everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Sure?
ma'am.
Okay, okay, just wait. See. Wait, I'll write and show it to you. 1 minute, wait, okay? I have to get up. See, beta, I'm going to write it. I'll write and then you just read it. Can you read it? Can you read it, everybody?
No, ma'am.
No,
Why,
No,
ma'am.
beta? Now it
No,
must
No,
be clear.
मैम सेट दिख रहा है ओनली. I am busy.
ma'am said I am busy.
yes,
Ma'am said means
It is not, still it is not clear. देखो अब
Yes,
clear.
ma'am. अब
Said
clear.
ma'am
said
said
that she was
ma'am
busy.
said that she was busy.
Okay,
मैम दिख रहा है मैम.
दिख रहा है बेटा? तो first one, what is the first one? This is the direct speech. Why?
Direct speech.
क्योंकि देखो first वाले में the actual words of the speaker, they are written. Okay, they are quoted. Who is the speaker here? Who has spoken the words? Speaker कौन है बेटा? Ma'am is the
Ma'am.
speaker. Okay,
Ma'am.
तो मैम के डायरेक्ट वर्ड्स
Yes, ma'am.
कोट कर दिए. मैम said I am busy. Right? सेकंड में क्या करा है तुमने?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever ma'am
Ma'am
has,
said
हाँ, whatever
ma'am
ma'am
said
has
that she
said,
was busy.
हाँ, तो उसका क्या सब्सटेंस
She was
तुमने
busy.
बता दिया ना. मैम ने जो भी बोला उसका सब्सटेंस तुमने बता दिया. तो फर्स्ट वाला जो सेंटेंस है, that is what? That is the
Direct speech.
speech, direct speech. Why? Because the actual words of the speaker are quoted. Okay. और second वाला क्या है? Indirect speech. Whatever the speaker has said, right? उसका substance, it
Yes,
has
ma'am.
been said, it has been spoken, right? Or it has been quoted. Exact word quote नहीं करें, लेकिन उसका substance quote कर दिया. Likewise, you have a fight with your friend and you people go to any teacher. Suppose you come to me, ma'am, इसने मुझे बोला मैं तुझे बहुत मारूंगा. What is this? Direct speech or indirect speech?
Direct speech.
This is direct speech. क्यों? क्योंकि तुम्हारे उस
Yes,
फ्रेंड
ma'am.
ने जो डायलॉग
Same
तुम्हें
word.
बोला है उसको तुम as it is कोट कर रहे हो, है ना? As it is बता रहे हो कि मैम इसने बोला मैं तुझे बहुत मारूंगा. This is the direct speech, isn't it? अब
Yes,
उसका
ma'am.
इनडायरेक्ट
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
करोगे? इनडायरेक्टली बोलना होगा तो मैम इसने हमें धमकी दी, इसने हमें बोला था ये हमें बहुत मारेगा. मीनिंग चेंज हुआ है? हैज द मीनिंग चेंज?
No, मैम मारने की बात हो रही है दोनों.
हाँ, उसमें भी वही सेम बात हो रही है. ओके, बस हमने थोड़े एक्चुअल वर्ड्स, एक्चुअल डायलॉग को कोट नहीं करा है, उसका सब्सटेंस बता दिया है हमने. क्लियर? तो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में क्या होता है कि जो स्पीकर बोलता है उसका सब्सटेंस जो है वो बोला जाता है विदाउट कोटिंग द एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स. डू यू हैव एनी ग्रामर बुक्स स्टूडेंट्स? डू यू हैव एनी ग्रामर बुक्स?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
no,
8th क्लास में होगी ना तुम्हारे एन के अग्रवाल ग्रामर. You had
No,
it? You did not have?
no.
Okay.
No,
So
ma'am.
now see,
No,
I'm going to do one thing. Today I'll send you the pic. Okay? I'll send you the pic of few sentences of direct and indirect speech. Right? Few sentences
Yes,
of
ma'am.
direct and indirect speech. Got it? समझ में आया? You are going
Yes,
to have
yes,
few
ma'am.
sentences you can note down in the registers. Make a different register for the grammar. उसको grammar register में
Yes, ma'am.
करना. उससे I am going to explain it. Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I think so. I did reported speech in class 9.
Yes, ma'am.
So you people might be having the notes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I told you to
Ma'am,
keep
I
them intact.
Ma'am,
मैंने
I
कहा
have the
था,
note.
हाँ, संभाल के
Yes,
रखना.
ma'am. है.
है ना आपके पास?
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, okay. Okay, now see one thing, beta. Direct and indirect speech, many times, it happens that the change of tense is there in it. Okay, change of tense is there. When it is there, when the reporting verb, it is always in the past tense. Past tense, you got it? When the reporting verb, likewise, you said, ma'am said. Said is what? Past tense. Isn't it? Ma'am said, I'm busy. So ma'am said means ma'am ने कहा था. तो उनकी कही गई बात भी किस में जाएगी? पास्ट में चली जाएगी ना.
Past tense में, yes ma'am.
समझ में आया? जब आप एक्चुअल वर्ड्स कोट कर रहे हो, जब तो उसका टेंस चेंज नहीं करेंगे. Ma'am said, I'm busy. You are not going to change the tense. Why? Because you are quoting the actual words that are spoken by the speaker. लेकिन जब उसका सब्सटेंस कोट करेंगे, जब सब्सटेंस आप बोलेंगे, नॉट कोट करेंगे, बताएंगे, तो क्या करेंगे बेटा? रिपोर्ट करेंगे उसका सब्सटेंस. तो यू आर गोइंग टू चेंज द टेंस. व्हाई? क्योंकि मैम ने कहा था. मैं बिजी हूं नहीं, वह बिजी थी. क्योंकि वो जो भी बात मैम ने बोली थी, दैट शी स्पोक और शी सेड इन द पास्ट, इजंट इट? तो उनकी बोली गई बात
ma'am.
भी किस में जाएगी? पास्ट टेंस में चली जाएगी.
जाएगी.
क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me, how many of you have grammar book? How many of you?
Ma'am,
Yes.
grammar book.
Any grammar book you might be having?
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, of 7th and 8th class. Ma'am, है.
No ma'am.
7th and 8th की कौन सी है
Ma'am,
बेटा?
R.K. Sharma.
हैं?
By R.K.
Ma'am,
Sharma.
Golden. Ma'am, Sanjeev.
Not that.
Ma'am, Golden
Ma'am, by
10th.
R.K. Sharma.
It means you people are having the different books, na? You don't have a similar book, right? Similar
Yes,
book
ma'am.
नहीं है ना तुम लोगों के पास?
मैम 8th क्लास NK अग्रवाल है. मैम 8th क्लास की.
हाँ, that is what I'm asking कि NK अग्रवाल होनी चाहिए सबके पास.
मैम है.
Junior
अग्रवाल.
English Grammar and Composition.
Yes मैम. मैम है.
That is what it was there in the course also. Class 10 students.
यस मैम है वो छोटे भाई बहनों में.
Ma'am,
नहीं है या है? Give me a very clear answer.
मैम है.
मैम है
No ma'am.
6th 7th 8th की है.
No मैम.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
चितवन, वो
No,
आपको
ma'am.
चलती थी क्या ग्रामर NK अग्रवाल वाली?
मैम क्या?
वो आपके थी क्या when you were there in 8th class?
No मैम. मैम ये तो मेरी सिस्टर की है.
Afterwards, na? Afterwards it came.
Yes मैम.
So, मतलब only few students they have it.
Ma'am, send me pic.
हाँ?
Ma'am, photo भेज दो मैम उस किताब में.
And the main thing is I'm going to send you the pics. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
children? I'll send you the pics. किस पे school app पर भेज दूँ मैं?
Yes ma'am.
Students,
yes, ma'am.
Yes
on
मैम.
the school app, I'm going to send you the pics. Everybody,
Yes,
just
ma'am.
see,
Yes, ma'am.
okay? उसको देखना ध्यान से and just copy down in the register so that tomorrow when I just begin with this, na, we might have what? A very good revision. Okay, when you're going to have the sentence, whatever I teach you, that would be a very good revision, right? And one important information, very soon we are going to have the re-examination, quarterlies of quarterlies, right? Only those students who did not appear in the quarterly exams, they will be appearing in the re-examination. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,